JL10003 Robot Replacement Tutorial. Remove 3 screws on each side of the beam. Unbeam. Remove the 2 limit settings screws. Remove the 2 screws fixing the magnet limit seat. Cut off the harness holding ties. Remove 1 screw fixing the wiring harness. Remove the screws fixing the ground cable. Separate flapping motor and needing motor plug-in red and black. Connect the power cord and turn on the switch. Note that the robot needs to be taken out after power is turned on. Turn off the power quickly. Separate harness plug-in. Extraction manipulator. Manipulator disassembly complete. The manipulator is installed and the guide wheel is placed on the guide rail. Install to limit settings screws. Install the beam and 3 screws on the left and right sides. Install magnet holder and 2 screws. Connect the wiring harness plug-in. Install the grounding cable fixing screws. Install the harness holding screws. Tie the harness and secure the cable tie.